Alright guys, I'm starting dinner. Hope you guys are excited. Just so you know, Claire, I'm gonna start working on the laundry. Can we watch some TV? Of course.
Everyone, there's an extreme snowstorm warming. Turn on your heaters and get some food. This snowstorm will progressively get worse and worse until it's below 100 negative degrees.
Kids, do you know how bad that is? Yeah. Claire, quick, turn on the heaters and get the food ready. The snowstorm is gonna get progressively worse. What? The snowstorm under 100 negative degrees? That's gonna be cold. Mommy, it just started to snow. Are we all gonna die? Everyone, let's go upstairs. Alright, guys, now that we're okay. Mommy, I'm cold. Oh, it's okay, sweetie. Come on, come to the bed. Let's warm you up. Alright, kids, I know we're all really cold, but we just need to stay calm and warm up. So, try to come to the bed. If you guys can't all fit, we'll get us sleeping bags. Alright, I'm gonna go get your guys' sleeping bags. Here you go. Alright, stay warm. Wrap up immediately. Go. I guess I'll take this purple one. I'll take blue. I want purple, not blue. Yay, I get purple. Alright, Mike, why don't you go join them? Okay. Alright, kids, huddle up and stay warm by the fire. We can finally all relax. What? What is happening? Hello? Oh my god, the power just went out. What are we gonna do? It's okay. Everyone stay calm. We'll warm up. I'm cold. I'm cold, Mama. We're cold too.